In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey with Typeform and add it to bubble.io. So let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First, you'll want to head over to Typeform's website and log into your account. If you're new to Typeform, you might need to create an account, but once you're in, you'll see the option to create a new form prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Next, you'll be prompted to select how you'd like to begin. The best approach here is to choose the Start from Scratch option. This allows you maximum flexibility to tailor the survey to your specific needs, making it uniquely yours. When deciding on the type of question to add, picking multiple choice is an excellent choice for gathering insights and preferences. You can then proceed to craft your questions, aiming to cover all bases by providing a comprehensive list that prompts thoughtful responses from your participants. As you storyboard your survey, think about the flow of questions and what information is essential for you. After setting up your questions, configure the choices. This involves typing in the various options respondents can select from. Don't hesitate to click Add Choice to offer more alternatives if needed. Once you're satisfied with your survey and the choices provided, it's time to share your creation. In Typeform, you'll want to click Share and then choose the option to embed in a web page. After that, initiate the embedding process by selecting Start Embedding. Even if you're not using WordPress, clicking this gives you options for different embedding methods. Look for the General Embeds section, which caters to the diverse platforms where you might want to present your survey, and click on Copy to have the embed code ready for the next step. Now switch gears and move over to bubble.io. In Bubble, your task will be to incorporate an HTML element that can host the survey. Use the search function to find the HTML element and click on it to add it to your page design. With the HTML element in place, click to open the HTML editor. This is where you'll paste the embed code you copied earlier from Typeform. A simple right-click and paste will do the trick, seamlessly embedding your survey within your bubble.io application. Don't forget to click on Save to ensure your changes are preserved. Finally, take a moment to preview your work by clicking the play button. This allows you to see how the survey appears within the context of your application, making any adjustments necessary for the best user experience. And that's it. You've successfully created a survey in Typeform and embedded it into bubble.io. Well done, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy creating.